Hello YouTube and welcome to another Doctor Who figure review, and today I shall be reviewing the Death to the Daleks Talking Dalek. But first I shall do the news. Some of you eagle-eyed viewers may have noticed in the Dalek torch relay, which I thought I would celebrate a year of Pertwee Smith 11 and the 2012 Olympic Games. I thought I'd do that. You would have spotted two new Daleks from the Talking Dalek range, obviously the Death to the Dalek one and the Power, which fits in nicely with the Emperor Guard, which is nice. DVD wise, I have the Greatest Show in the Galaxy. Yep, that is a fantastic story, one of McCoy's finest, really. So if you are, wanting a new Doctor Who DVD, or craving for Doctor Who, and you sort of want the story, and you don't really have enough money for either, the Ace box set, then this is fairly a cheap option to go for to get your Ace action. It's sort of like Ghostlight, but using Ace. Again, using Ace's Sphere, which is heavily used. Yes, I have a different background as well. You may think, oh, that's a bit weird, isn't it? Yeah, it's a felt thing. You may just think, oh, it's just a Dalek, but it is actually related to Death to the Dalek because it has the machine gun. So, back to the Death to the Dalek figure. I don't have the packaging. I've already sort of done the packaging in the Revelation review, so we don't have to bother with that. So I'll do articulation. The head does a lovely 360 degrees. The eye goes up and down, still stiff, but the thing with these eye stalks, they aren't actually like this. They're actually a circle, and they actually just slot in, but they aren't removable, they're just a circle, so hence you cannot remove these eye stalks, and it is a bit warped. There are two problems with this figure and I'll go on to it later. You've got the sucker arm movement and the exterminator ray and the three wheels to do your Dalek trundling action. Yeah, so we shall do the detail now, and then we'll do the comparison and whatever. So the detail is, we have a nice silver dome, we have some clear dome lights with some lines on. Don't know if you can see it on camera, I'll try and make them. You can sort of see some lines there. This Dalek doesn't have the grey painted on the eye. Got the nice little blue rings there. The nice silver with the slats, not a problem with those. Got the nice bolts in the mesh. Sculpted very nicely, as you can see. Another Dalek skirt. Really nice. Shiny spears and a double base as well. See that? So that's just basically normal Dalek detail, what you would expect on a Dalek figure. Now, I haven't reviewed the Death to the Dalek set review. I just thought I'd roll this into the trilogy as well, because I've got quite a bit. I've got to do the DVD yet as well. That's filmed, ready to be uploaded, but I just thought I'd do a figure review. So now we'll do a comparison. Now, here we have the original 2009 release of the Death to the Daleks one. Straight away you can notice the orange dome light. People have said this figure is totally wrong, but people can't get it in their heads, but there was only one of these with the orange dome lights. And other noticeable difference is the gun. It is not a automatic machine gun, it's your standard Genesis Dalek gun, what we've grown to love by now. The eye stalk, now this one may look a bit battered, but it does have some grey on, as you can see there. This one you can see where it's sort of been sculpted. Don't know if you can see it, but I'll try my best. You can sort of see where it's been sculpted, like focus. There you can see this little line there. Where it's meant to be painted grey, but they haven't, so it's sort of been lazy there. Of course, you've got the frost lined on the dome lights. Yeah, I've gone too far in the zoom. I might as well just put them in here. There we go. So you can see the mesh is just exactly the same. Now, here's the difference. Just do that so you can see on the light. The original Death to the Daleks release has a circle, as you can see there, nicely. This one does not, for some bizarre reason, probably to make it a bit variated. And then the bottom of the skirt is exactly the same. So not exactly many differences, but it's nice that they have put a bit of variation onto them, which is nice. Just go back to the... Now there are a few problems with mine, but I don't know if it's on yours, but there is a bit of a wonky eye stalk. And the plunger, you can see it's a bit bad, but you can soon fix that, I suppose. Now, to the sounds. You just flick it on. It's just the same as the Revelation. And then you just go down, you can see this hemisphere is quite well guarded, but there's that one there, so we just run through the sounds now. So here we go. Oh.
You are an enemy of the Daleks.
Yes, the Daleks started to play up. Not good. It's playing up, this one is.
Exterminate. Maximum power. Fire.
Yeah, the Daleks sort of gone dead. It's always fantastic when you're doing a review.
Daleks are the supreme beings in the universe.
Must be camera shy.
Seek, locate, exterminate.
Before the Dalek embarrasses me, the sounds are exactly the same as the Revelation one. If you want to know what the sound effects are and the Exterminator sound, it is exactly the same as the Revelation one, so check out that review if you want to see the sound. It is a bit strange how a Dalek would do it off camera, I suppose, but you never know, Daleks might have nerves. It's always the case with those. So yeah, an embarrassing Dalek, but probably one of my favourites in the wave. And before I mentioning talking Daleks as well while I'm reviewing it, these Daleks are now on Character Options website, so you can order the Daleks. They are the same price, £14.99. And of course, if you spend over £25, then you'll get free postage. Not bad, so I may order the Planet and the Dalek Invasion of Earth, but the Dalek Invasion of Earth one is now out of stock. Shows how popular he is. But it's still early days, as I said to Mumble557, because he commented in the Revelation review, saying that the Revelation one's still quite rare. I think it's because they haven't actually been released big yet. They're only in Argos at the moment, but as soon as the 22nd of August is here, they will be everywhere. I mean, everywhere you'll turn you'll see a talking Dalek. I mean, it's not like they're a Forbidden Planet exclusive, they are a mass production. They're not just limited, I suppose, but I think the rarest one will either be the Planet one. But in the first time I saw the wave, I thought it would be the power one because of the Emperor Guard one, because you can just, you know, paint the dome and then you've got your Emperor Guard. I will be comparing the Emperor Guard to this one, and I have reviewed the Emperor Guard, but I just haven't uploaded it yet. So, thanks for watching this review, and I hope to see you in my next Talking Dalek review, which will be of the Power of the Daleks one. And let's hope this Dalek isn't camera shy. So there he is.
Daleks are the masters of all.
You heard it from him. Daleks are the masters of all. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the Power of the Daleks review. So, goodbye.